On today's podcast, we'll be talking about safety signage in factories and warehouses. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Safety signage plays a crucial role in protecting workers and preventing accidents in factories and warehouses where heavy machinery, hazardous materials, and various risks are present. Safety signage is a visual communication tool conveying important information and warnings to employees, visitors, and contractors. This article will help explore the significance of safety signage and its role in creating a safer work environment. Enhancing awareness and communication. Safety signage reminds us of potential hazards and safety protocols. By displaying clear and concise messages, it helps raise awareness among employees about potential risks and necessary precautions. Signage can communicate important information such as emergency exits, fire extinguisher locations, first aid stations, and assembly points. Within a glance, workers can familiarize themselves with the safety measures and procedures specific to their workplace. Preventing accidents. Accidents can occur when workers are unaware of potential hazards or fail to recognize them promptly. Safety signage helps prevent such incidents by highlighting danger zones, restricted areas, and specific safety requirements. For example, signs indicating personal protective equipment or PPE use, such as safety goggles, hard hats, or gloves, remind workers to utilize these items when entering designated areas. Safety signage constantly reminds us of the necessary precautions by providing visual cues, significantly reducing the risks of accidents and injuries. Compliance with regulations and standards. Safety signage also plays a critical role in ensuring compliance with industry regulations and safety standards. Regulatory bodies often mandate specific signs and symbols to convey information about hazards, mandatory actions, and emergency procedures. By adhering to these requirements, factories and warehouses demonstrate their commitment to maintaining a safe working environment and avoiding penalties associated with non-compliance. Moreover, compliance with safety standards helps build trust with employees, customers, and regulatory authorities. Emergency preparedness. During emergencies such as fires, chemical spills, or natural disasters, safety signage becomes vital for efficient evacuation and response. Signs indicating emergency exits, evacuation routes, assembly points, and the location of firefighting equipment guide individuals to safety swiftly and effectively. In high-stress situations when time is of the essence, well-placed and easily recognizable signage can save lives and minimize injuries. Regular maintenance and updates. To ensure the effectiveness of safety signage, routine maintenance and updates are essential. Faded or damaged signs can lead to a lack of clarity and understanding, diminishing the ability to communicate crucial information. All parties associated with safety should conduct regular inspections to identify signs that require replacement or repair. Additionally, those same parties should update safety signage regularly to make sure that everything reflects changes in procedures, hazards, or regulations. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next week, have a great week and stay safe. Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.